Here we demonstrate a fingerprint working model. So this is a fingerprint module in our project, in our kit. So here just we check out like how the fingerprint module works out. So initially we need to give the power supply to the fingerprint module. So here this is entire the RPS section, so regulated power supply section. So this input I am feeding to the fingerprint module. So here I am using a serial communication port with MAX232 IC and RS232. So this RS232 I am connecting to the PC. So here in the PC you need to open the software of the fingerprint recognition. So here you can see, so here as you on your power supply, so you can get a blink on a fingerprint module. You can see a blue colored light. So now in the software how can we operate? So coming to the software part, so here you can have like open devices. So once you click on open device there, so it will ask the communication serial port. So it is like COM1, so click OK. After that, so here you can get correctly like open device success. So this is like indication that exactly the serial port is connected to the PC perfectly. Now here we see like enroll. So using this enroll button you need to enroll a particular fingerprint. So once it has fingerprint has been enrolled, so from the search it will identify that particular fingerprint. So the storing will be done through your enroll. So now you will see like enroll, the address can be changed like 1. So suppose to the address 1 I am storing. So now when you click OK, so you can see a blue colored, so it will ask whether you have storing the previous fingerprint data or else the same. So if I click yes, it will be enrolled in that. So you can see a blue colored light which is there over here. So once I give the fingerprint, it will take like please take off your finger, successfully enrolled. So once a success message has been done, so it will be storing the particular address at number 1 location. So now, so second fingerprint will check it out. So second address, so if it is previous is there, it is going to overlap. So I am giving the second fingerprint now. So now please take off your finger, successfully enrolled. Now to the 1, it has been stored 1 finger, and to the second address another finger. So when you give another enroll, again it will ask for the third fingerprint. Now when I give the third finger, so here you can see put your finger, and once it has enrolled, success. So next, now you need to search. So how you are going to identify? When you click this search button, so now it will ask for the fingerprint. Now if at all I press the second, so you can see find same finger ID of second. So in the second I have detected the fingerprint. So you can, it has been searched the ID number, enrolled ID number. So here search. So when I click for the search once again, so now if I give another fingerprint, automatically it will show you search. So it will ask put your finger. See, you can see the third finger has been recognized. So again when I press again search, ID 2, so it is for the second finger. So when I go for the search, so when I give a wrong finger, it indicates like not finger form. So because it has been enrolled. So in this way you can recognize every finger based on enrollment, which is address, and everything is perfectly matched. Thank you.